Hey there, have you ever thought about having a second home in a beautiful tropical island? If you have, you might want to look at some options here in Bali. So, where do you start and what do you need to be aware of? It's not rocket science, I can tell you that, so let's get through some basics. The first thing that you should try and do is research a professional agency. An agent has a local knowledge. They know the best areas and they know the process. This means they can take some of the headaches away and work with you to find the right property. When you found the right agent and you have some good options, you should organize a site inspection. When you find the right property, your agent will make a formal written offer to the owner. If the owner agrees to your offer, you'll need a notary to conduct a due diligence. Your agent can arrange this for you, or you can organize your own notary. Due diligence is an audit or review of the property to confirm all of the legal paperwork, agreement, and taxes are in order as they should be. This process usually takes about 20 days. Since a foreign individual cannot legally own land in Indonesia, we suggest creating a PT-PMA foreign investment company. The PT-PMA gives you the right to build and the right to use land. Setting up a PT-PMA usually takes about 14 days. Once you and the owner have agreed the price and payment structure, you'll need to sign a notarial sale and purchase agreement, where the conditions of sale are clearly laid out. A down payment of 10% is usually what you need to secure the deal with final payment released 30 days after. Once there is proof of transfer, the notary will generate an official transfer agreement. After all that has been done, you will be the proud owner of your beautiful second home in the islands of the gods, and you can now celebrate. For more details and questions, get in touch today. hello@sevenstonesindonesia.com or www.sevenstonesindonesia.com.